Hello everyone and welcome back to our English classes. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. We are going to continue our school lesson, working on students and teachers. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
I am your new student. My name is Lily.
I am your new student. My name is Lily.
Welcome to our class, Lily.
Welcome to our class, Lily.
I am your teacher.
I am your teacher.
He is a
He is a teacher.
teacher. She is a
Student.
student. They are
Students.
students. They are
Teachers.
teachers. They're teachers. They're students.
They are students.
She is a teacher. She is a student.
She is a teacher.
Hi, I am your new student.
Student. S-T-U-D-N-T.
Welcome to our class.
A-S-M-E.
What is your name?
A-M.
My name is Ava. What is your name?
My name is Ava.
I am Mrs. Taylor, your teacher.
Teacher. A-C-H. Our next one is principal.
Principal. Principal.
These are teachers.
Teachers.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you my teacher?
Are you my teacher?
No, I am your principal.
No, I am your principal.
Your teacher is Mr. Jones.
Your teacher is Mr. Jones.
This one is the principal.
Principal.
This one is the teacher.
Teacher.
I am a principal.
I am a principal.
He is a teacher.
He is a teacher.
He is a principal.
He is a principal.
Is she a teacher or a principal?
She is with students, teaching the students, so she is a teacher.
Is she a teacher or a principal?
She is probably the principal. Last one, elementary, middle, and high school. Elementary.
E
E L E
E
M
E T A Y. Elementary school.
Middle. M-I-D-D-L-E.
E D D O E. Middle school.
High. H-I-J-H.
E G. High school.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you in high school?
Are you in high school?
No, I am in elementary school.
No, I am in elementary school.
Are you in elementary school?
Are you in elementary school?
No, I am in high school.
No, I am in high school.
Middle school. Elementary school. Middle school. Elementary school. High school.
This has been our school practice. If you would like to go practice more, definitely go into Anton. I am Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, asking you to please like and subscribe and share the channel with someone that might be able to benefit from it. Thank you for joining me for English practice for my school. Have a fantastic rest of your day.